to Los Angeles, as you can tell by all the smog over there.
Hopefully we can get there before the sun goes completely down. I'm hoping that's what the consensus report is. I don't know what I'm saying here, but yeah, we're running out of daylight quickly. Hope you guys enjoyed those rolling shots. Just shut the truck down. About to get to work here with the limited amount of sun. You weren't expecting this, were you?
No, not really. So weird ass spot.
Yeah, whenever Jordan gets his Jeep, we're gonna make our way up that. All right, so time to get to work.
Yeah.
All right, so you've all seen this picture before. Tell me if you've seen it. This picture where the guy's over here,
I mean, there's millions of them out there. There's always some guy with some grass in his tooth right next to the truck.
well, that picture, yeah, they made so many variations of it, but that guy with the mullet, and he's not wearing a shirt, and he's like,
no, I can't say I have, and I'm kind of happy that I haven't either.
like this.
Well, this is a better picture than that.
Make so many variations of it, but I'm not going to use the term. Hey guys, we are here out in the woods. I'm here with.
Oh, okay, Brandon. Hello.
What you want to, whatever. Yeah, I'm here.
What's going on?
We're about to install the new exhaust.
Nice.
Yeah, to his truck right here. What better spot than where we are out here now? Yeah, we got the exhaust tip with us. I brought some vodka to clean it with. Limited amount of tools. Was really rushing today because we're almost out of daylight already.
Yep.
So we're gonna try to get to this now. So come over here, we'll take a look at what his exhaust looks like. He's got the 5.3 V8 just like my truck. And man, ow!
Yeah, that's
all
a lie.
He's got, I think it's a 3-inch exhaust. I think Will brought his MIG welder just in case we need to weld it on.
Nope.
All right, well, first off, we need to get this dirt off, otherwise it's just gonna slide off because it's kind of dangerous to get all the way up here, back in my neck of the woods.
Yeah, rolling.
All right, so approach it with great force and attitude. So I had to replace the head on this thing, the freaking spray bottle, because my old antique one broke. Just
You said this is just a mixture of water and vinegar.
Vinegar and vodka.
Yeah, which actually a lot of people use for cleaning, even in houses.
All right, so I don't know how far back it's gonna go, so I'm gonna try to get. Oh, I ruined this rag. I was trying to use it for a couple more sessions of modding my truck for 30,000 years.
Yeah, you can't wash it or anything, so.
All right, I hand wash everything, man. That's why it's not worth it.
Oh, you do?
'Cause I live in the boonies. I live in the backwood.
Yeah, he's clotheslining it.
I used to. All right, so is that good enough?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Hold on. Explain the situation.
The situation, all right, what we got going on right here is vigorously cleaning the back of this exhaust without there being any grime in between. Okay, we're gonna have a clean tack on here.
Let's polish it to brand new.
Yes.
It's a 5.3 V8 gasoline, right?
Yes, sir.
Or is it?
Oh. Yeah.
Turn that off. Oh, they did.
Thank you. Kind to see. Our neck of the woods, such kind individuals.
I wasn't expecting that. All right, so that actually looks.
I mean, it looks way better than it did.
I'm saying this is what you go. Only do this to your truck. Don't clean anything
else.
else.
Yeah, nothing ever.
All right. unnecessary step.
Good. We virtually have the same engine, minus tweaks throughout the years. Will mine be near or close to as loud as yours after this exhaust?
Guess we're gonna have to find out and see if these exhaust tips really do work, but I do have the custom muffler. It got louder when I put my exhaust tip on, which I think that's a 3 to 5. And I also, whenever I took the bedliner out, it also got a good amount louder. But this is the first step. This is one of the first things that I think I did to my truck, aside from seat covers. So yeah, we're about to see.
Well, it's gonna be the first thing that I've done to this truck.
All right, have you seen this yet?
No, I have yet.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, nice, dude. Yeah, it looks far better than mine. Ooh. See, it's louder already.
So get down to see me. Oh. All right. Tally ho, governor. So I'm gonna test fit this on and see if it's actually gonna, oh, definitely. Probably not even gonna want this third one because it's so small. I didn't even use this one. I just added it on thinking that you might need it.
Okay.
I ended up using these two. All right, yeah, I got an exhaust too. All right, so yeah, I only used these two, and then I pointed this one down, and it actually serves as like a drain hole, so water doesn't just sit in here.
Cool.
If you look on the inside of that, you can see it's got that glass pack interior, so it does change the tone a little bit. The one I have now doesn't have that. It actually did sound pretty good. And honestly, my favorite part about this was that it would always collect around here, so it honestly made the gas truck look like a diesel.
Nice. So I think one thing that we should do is I'll start the truck up and I'll rev it up a little bit. Yeah, let's
forgot about that. Great idea.
It changes.
Well done. That actually sounded really good.
All right.
It's all right. It doesn't even need this.
Yeah. All right. Let's head out.
See ya.
See ya.
Just breathe it in all that carbon. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need a hello. See ya. So I'm hoping I can get take that portion off. That's what I did last time. Can you close that box right here? Yeah. Brought the paint just in case, but probably won't need it now unless you wanted to. But that's gonna delay the governor.
Yeah, I'm okay with not doing that.
Yeah, this is the classic Chevy truck squad. It's been a while.
But it's a GMC.
I remember I made this video a while back that it was like Duramax squad, and it's when I met you guys at Lowe's. I took a picture of a truck in the parking lot and made that the thumbnail. But the majority of it was us at Lowe's picking out paints and all that.
Nice. I'm sure everybody was super excited. Yeah.
And then, the phone call with Mike trying to convince him to go to the restaurant. He really didn't want to go, and then we finally got him to go.
TGI Fridays, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Just figured I had to yell because GoPro have another battery, so I figured grab the other can. Yeah, I guess we'll try this one now.
Okay. Dude, how far is it gonna stick off?
This far.
Yeah, dude, that looks good to me. I won't even be able to park anymore.
People are just gonna assume that this truck smokes if it's stuck out that far.
True.
Alright, we got a problem.
Oh, what's that?
Crikey!
Do we actually govern?
Hey! Oh yeah! Turn! Alright. What the heck?
Still not going on?
No, that one's about.
There's gonna be nothing attached to it. It's gonna be hanging on there.
Don't try this at home. We got it.
Do we?
Just need to loosen it. Back. Give her a gander. That way.
It's better if I hold this so you can push back further? Is that all?
Yeah, that's all you got.
Jesus Lord. Yeah. Dude. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Oh, thank God. That was about to be really bad. Didn't we just accepted the fate right there? Didn't even push back.
How far back until it looks weird? Like right here? Alright, does that look good, guys?
Looks way better than what it did. Is it hanging out too far?
The tire is right here.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah, look at, yeah. So we apologize if you're not getting a real great image here. Slightly dark, but as you can see, we have Derek here in a name brand.
Into my mouth.
Is it really?
Oh.
And some name brand designer clothing. Beyond aesthetics, it does increase the sound.
I'm just using sock plug. Oh, it's muddy.
He's not even using it.
It's on my hand now. Ruin my tools. I like to keep my clothes dirty, but keep the tools clean. Now I can't even turn it because it's all muddy.
Yeah, we saw mud on the way up here. And he said,
Gonna help yourself.
I don't think that's going anywhere.
yeah. That's not really going anywhere. Looks pretty good.
Oh, hey.
How's it going? Didn't you see up there?
Whoa. It drops down over there.
Does it really?
Yeah. Ari, toast to your first mod ever, or I'll take it if you. All right.
Nice.
All right, with the light we still have, let her rip, tater chip. Oh. Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about.
Why is this shit not turning off?
What?
Freaking radio.
Oh, we're having communication issues. We're not going to be able to make it out now. I still taste the carbon.
Let's go check out the view real quick.
Yeah, man, I'm thinking I'm hearing more pops. Woo! All right, man.
Good deal.
Got him.
Yeah.
Got him. What everyone wants to know is how much did I charge you for my old amazing black exhaust tip?
Say a handshake. Probably a couple thousand. Yeah.
Didn't know if it was gonna happen.
Nice. I did not expect.
Scale of 1 to 10 on the mod, man.
Aesthetically, it looks better. All based on exhaust tips or mods in general? Because on mods in general, this is a 0.5 out of 10. But
7 out of 10 on exhaust tip.
yeah, 7 out of 10.
Entities or a tribute?
This would be an attribute.
And to wrap it all up, I still taste the carbon.
Have a good day, guys. Keep the coal burning for 100 more years.
Back over the mountain and back home.
All right. Bye, guys.
Subscribe to FastDog010.
If you're doing a subscribe, though, it's professionally amateur, and I haven't made a new video in like 2 years. Woo!
Coming soon.
Yeah. Theater near you.
Here, could you shine a light? MIG welding 101.
It doesn't really.
There we go. We're getting things squared away, one by one at a time. Thanks for watching HotWheels.com.
Oh, yodelay, yodelay. Probably picked up about 200 sig butts by now. Well, I just filled this trash can, which I'm gonna empty, and then I also scavenged all this out of the wood. Keep Pennsylvania beautiful, keep the United States beautiful, clean this stuff up. Oh my gosh, dude, I actually don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, shit, dude, rock is loose.
Crawl under those and then climb up this side.
You're the boss, me, man! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah! You ain't got nothing on me. I was born before these rocks were. Ah! Welcome to Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania. Finally made it back from the deep southern roots. Yeah! Oh, wait. Alright, so you were saying when you get your power stroke, you were wilding out about a 7.3, and you said you were ready to ball out, dog ball about the truck or whatever you were saying about it. You were walling out about that 7.3.
I don't know what the fuck that means, but alright.
Alright, that's it. Sinus. You were gonna call it a sinus 7.3.
Yeah.
Sinus stroke.
Fucking weird, bro.